Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the homeworks from syntax. So we will be pushing all of our homeworks to the GitHub, and then you have to pull all of those homeworks from the GitHub. We will be providing you with a link, and this is all you have to do. Click on this icon here, then click on new, and then click on project from version control. And this is where you have to paste that link. Now make sure the Git is already installed and you have watched that video. Then simply click on clone, and then it will start pulling the homeworks from the syntax repository. Now you can select new window, and this is how the project is going to look like. Now these homeworks, if you see this option load Maven project, simply click on load. The homeworks have been arranged according to weeks. So every week you will be getting a lot of homework. So for example, if you expand this project, you are going to see main in the test folder. Under this main, you are going to see this week 1, and similarly you are going to see week 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And a similar approach, similar structure will be followed for your test cases. So to solve your homework, this is what you have to do. Expand this E1. So every exercise is basically inside a separate folder. For example, this E1 means the exercise 1. In each exercise, you will have two files. One is called instructions.md and the other is called the Java file. To see what you have to do in a specific exercise, you have to open the instructions file. And then for you, the view is going to look something like this. You have to click on this button here, preview, and then it will look a little nicer. So this file basically contains the instructions for you. So for example, in this exercise, I want you to go and create two variables. So you have to go inside this file, and then in the first step, you have to create these two variables. Then the instructions further say you have to go and assign the values to these variables. So what you have to do is you have to go and assign the values to these variables. And then you have to print out these values. So once you are done with the exercise, once you have completed the exercise, there will also be a section called the expected output. This is what I'm expecting from your program. This is the output that I'm expecting. So once you are done writing your code, you can run your code, you can check the output, whether the output is same as the expected output or not. But to make sure that everything is good, we have written some automated test cases. So yes, you can go and run your code and see, okay, it's doing the right thing. But if you want to further check all of your homeworks, whether you are doing it the right way or the wrong way, every week we'll also have these test cases. So for example, for E1, we have this E1 test. If we go inside this E1 test, you are going to see another Java file. And if you click on this play button, it's going to run and it's going to go and check your Java code in the other folder. Now, since we have followed all the requirements properly and our code is good, we are getting these green tick marks, which means the test cases are passing. But let's say, for example, you do not follow the requirements. Let's say you are missing this line of code, right? Still, if you go and run your code, yes, it will run perfectly fine. It will generate the output. But this time, if you run the test case, it is not going to work. The test case is going to throw an error. And these errors are basically the explanations that what are you doing wrong. So for example, the error here is saying the output does not match the expected values. Please ensure that your program prints exactly 2 lines, a true followed by a false. So now this error is telling you that you are not doing something wrong and you have to have this false as well. If you further want to see the exact difference, you can click on this option, click to see the difference. So now if I click on this, click to see the difference link, I can see that the expected output is a true followed by a false. However, my program is only generating a true, and that's why the test case is failing. So now if I go back and put the proper code back and I run my test case again, then again the test case is going to pass. So basically these test cases are a way to check whether you are solving the homeworks in the right direction, proper way or not. And for every exercise there will be a test case which you can run and see your code. So this is how you are going to receive the homeworks, and this is how you are supposed to solve them. Every week you will be getting new homeworks, and in the next video I'll show you how to get more. So this is for the first time, how to set up everything. Now if you want to get more homeworks, we have to follow a few more things. We have to do a few more things every week to get those new homeworks. For that, please do not forget to watch my next video. For this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.